Imagine Explainer's AI has just dropped, and if you're looking for a cutting-edge solution to revolutionize your workflow, you need to know these 7 crucial things before diving in. This AI software is not just another tool, it's packed with innovative features that can make your processes more efficient, and I'm here to give you all the insights you need. First off, let's talk about the simplicity and user-friendliness of Imagine Explainer's AI. If you're new to AI tools, this one stands out by being incredibly intuitive. The dashboard is clean, and everything is laid out so you can start creating right away. You don't need to be an AI expert to get the hang of it, which makes it accessible even if you've never worked with AI before. One of the key features is its ability to generate professional explainers and product demos in minutes. Imagine Explainer's AI analyzes the data you provide and crafts a high-quality video that explains your product or service clearly and engagingly. This is a huge time saver, especially for digital marketers who need to produce content quickly without sacrificing quality. The next thing you need to know is its integration capabilities. Whether you're working with social media, landing pages, or email campaigns, Imagine Explainer's AI fits seamlessly into your existing tech stack. This means you can enhance your digital marketing efforts without overhauling your entire system. Plus, it supports multiple platforms, so no matter where you're working, it's ready to go. Another standout is its ability to personalize content at scale. With this tool, you can tailor messages for different customer segments. Whether you're targeting first-time visitors or repeat buyers, Imagine Explainer's AI makes it easy to speak directly to each group, helping you improve your conversion rates. This level of personalization is a game changer in a world where customers expect tailored experiences. Now let's talk about scalability. If you're working on a project that's set to grow, Imagine Explainer's AI is built to scale with you. It can handle increasing demands without sacrificing performance, so you can keep producing high-quality content as your business expands. The software also shines in its analytics capabilities. It doesn't just create content, it tracks its performance too. By providing insights into how your videos are performing, Imagine Explainer's AI helps you refine your strategy and optimize future campaigns. This data-driven approach is exactly what every marketer needs to fine-tune their efforts. But what really sets Imagine Explainer's AI apart is its speed. Instead of spending hours scripting, editing, and animating, you can generate a high-quality explainer in just a few minutes. This allows you to free up valuable time that can be spent on other important tasks, making it an incredible productivity booster. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the pricing structure. While many AI tools in this space come with hefty price tags, Imagine Explainer's AI offers an incredibly affordable plan, especially considering the features it provides. Plus, you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. This is your chance to experience what this AI can do for your business without committing a single dollar upfront. So if you're serious about improving your digital marketing strategy with the latest AI software, Imagine Explainer's AI is definitely worth exploring. As someone who has tested thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this one stands out for its ease of use, powerful features, and scalability. If you want to explore this tool further, make sure to check the link below for a free trial. And as always, I've also included a list of my top AI software recommendations in the description to help you find the best tools for your business. Don't miss out. This software could be the game changer you've been waiting for.